friends! So today I receive a mail from USCIS and it shows here, this is how it looks like. And let's see, I believe this is I-765 notice for my employment authorization. So come on, let's go and check it out. Right, my friends, it's correct. This is an I-797 notice of action, which is for my I-765 application for employment authorization. So June 21, they sent my notice of action, which is, it says here, we have approved your applications for employment authorization and advance parole. And you can see from here, class C09P valid from June 20, 2025 to June 19, 2030. So I have 5 years validity for my employment authorization card. And it's also stated here, we have approved your application of employment authorization and advance parole based on your pending Form I-485 application to register permanent residence of adjust status. We will send your employment authorization document, also known as an EAD card or Form I-766, to you separately. The EAD card will have an I-512 endorsement on it, which indicates that you have been approved for advance parole. So your EAD card should be produced within 1 to 2 weeks. Your EAD card will be mailed via USPS priority mail with delivery confirmation to the address you designated. So the time frame in which you will receive your EAD card may vary depending on USPS delivery time. So please allow a total of 30 days from approval before inquiring with USCIS. We encourage you to use your case status online to find your USPS tracking number for EAD card delivery. So if you have not received your EAD card within this time frame, please visit that website for instruction on how to submit an inquiry. So your EAD card is proof that you are allowed to work in the United States. Show the card to your employer to verify your authorization to work during the dates on the card. You cannot use this approval notice as proof of your employment authorization. So when you receive your EAD card, please check all the information on the card is correct. If you need to change any information on the card, please mail all of the following to the office listed below: a letter of explaining what informations need to be corrected, your EAD card, a photocopy of this notice, and evidence to show what the correct information should be. For example, if you need to correct your name, submit a copy of your birth certificate or official name change. Now, let's move on to this advance parole. So the I-512 endorsement on your EAD card is proof that while your Form I-485 is pending, you may travel abroad without abandoning your Form I-485. Show your unexpired EAD card with the I-512 endorsement to the ship or airline, and it can let you on board to travel to the United States as long as your EAD card has not expired. So you may use it multiple times to request parole into the United States. U.S. Customs and Border Protection can parole you into the U.S. for up to 1 year. So it says here, before you leave the United States, please note the following information. Parole in the United States is not guaranteed. In all cases, CBP officers must still inspect you at a port of entry to determine whether you are eligible to come into the United States according to the term of this parole. Even though USCIS even though USCIS approve your advance parole, CBP may still refuse to parole you into the United States. So parole into the United States is not an admission. into the U.S. If we deny your Form I-485, you may be subject to removal proceedings for being inadmissible to the U.S. Unlawful presence. If you leave the United States after being unlawfully present in the United States, you may be barred from admission even if you obtain advance parole. If you were unlawfully present in the United States for more than 180 days, so 30, 60, 90, 121, 80, so 5 months, but less than 1 year, and you leave the U.S. voluntarily before the start removal proceedings, you are inadmissible for 3 years. If you were unlawfully present for 1 year or more, you are inadmissible for 10 years. So if you have concern about how traveling abroad with your EAD card may affect your legal rights, admissibility, or waivers, you should contact an immigration attorney or an immigrant assistance organization accredited to the Board of Immigration Appeal before making foreign travel plans. If you have pending I-485, so if you have a pending or approved for I-114 pending Form I-4, you make request to change employers if your I-485 has been pending for at least 180 days. In order to do so, you need to submit documentation about your new job offer. For more information on how to request change employers and what information you must submit, please visit the USCIS, USCIS. So let's check the page 2. So just the page 2 is just really nothing. It just says that if your EAD card expires before we make a final decision, I-485, you may apply for a new EAD card. So this form is not a visa, may not be used in place of a visa or evidence of employment authorization. So although this application has been approved, USCIS and U.S. Department of Homeland Security reserve the right to verify the information before and or after making a decision on your case, so we can ensure that you have complied with applicable laws, rules, regulations, and other legal authorities. So we may review public information and records, contact others by mail, the internet, or phone, conduct site inspections of businesses and legal authorities, etc., etc. Oh yes, my friends. So basically, it's a good news that it says that my EAD card has been approved, and also they called it combo card because it also once I receive my EAD card, it will show also my advance parole, which is underneath the card that it says here. So I must check that it says there I-512 so I-512 endorsement on your EAD card, something like that. So once I receive my EAD card, that's the first one I will check. So it means that's advance parole, and I can able to leave the United States. So, but there is an note here. I read it a while ago, like around the I read it the advance parole underline that how even though I received this EAD card, it doesn't mean that it's not guaranteed that the CBP officer or like my admission in the US. So basically, like if I re-enter the US, so there must be, there's a possibility that they will not let me in. So it's very risky to travel, especially if you have pending I-485. However, I applied for this advance parole. It's because of my work coming in in 2 months on September. If you guys are watching my channel, I have my work. I'm a seafarer, so I have a contract in the ship already on September. So basically, I need that EAD card or combo card or the advance parole for me able to leave the country or the US. So it will not abandon my case or my I-485. So let's see how is it gonna happen. Once I will keep you guys posted. Once I received my EAD card, I did my research regarding about that EAD card once I leave. It looks like very risky that it says also here that if you have concerns about how traveling abroad with your EAD card may affect your legal rights or waivers, etc., you should contact an immigration attorney. So I'm not gonna contact immigration attorney. According to my research, I have a valid proof that I'm leaving the country. It's because of my contract in the ship, and also I am planning to stay here in the US. So basically I will do 6 months off the ship and 6 months on here in the US. So at least just like to show that my strong ties here in the US, that because I applied for my green card. So basically I would like to stay here legally, so I should not like leave even though I have my advance parole. I should not like take advantage of it, like just leave out of the country whenever I like, because it will might be like a red flag in the immigration officer that because I applied for a green card and I keep on leaving the country. So it means I need to stay here in the US. So for the meantime, I will worry that once I leave the country and I will re-enter. So yeah, so June 21 I got this. So yeah, if you guys watch my channel, my previous videos, it shows there somebody also actually commented, oh, 13 months, good luck for not working. So like what I said, the time frame there in the on the USCIS, sometimes it changes. So before it just says 13 months and then it changed to 3 months. So to be honest, after I applied my my EAD or my 485 together with my EAD, I received date is April 30 and I got it June 21. So April, May, June. So like less than 2 months I already received my EAD card. So that's all for today's video, and once again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It will really a big help for me and for others who are same situations like me. That's all. Bye.